Hello, hello, it's Susan from Tamagems. Ribbon necklaces are so beautiful to wear. They are lightweight, versatile. You can wear them with jeans and a t-shirt or dress them up for evening wear. All these ribbon necklaces are different with different embellishments, but they all have one thing in common. They are all finished with a ribbon clasp. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to finish a ribbon necklace. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. In my upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute little sparkly circles that embellish the ribbon. This one's in white crystals. These are gray with black ribbon. And this one is bronze, golden bronze. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos and hit that little bell so you can get notified. First, I wanted to show you the different sizes that I have. So this ribbon is really thick. I mean, not thick, it's wide. So let me see how wide this ribbon is. This is about 1.5 inches. Okay, so I've doubled that. And for that, I'm going to use this ribbon end. And this ribbon end is, see, in centimeters, it's about 2 centimeters. So this is the one that I'm going to use because my ribbon is so wide. In this one, the ribbon's fairly thin. This is a satin ribbon, and this ribbon end is about a 0.09, 0.08 centimeter. So I'm using a smaller one on this one, and also this one is also the same size. This is about a 0.08 or 0.09 ribbon end. So those are the smaller ones. And today we're going to do this one. So I've doubled my ribbon, and you see how the ends are fraying a little bit? I'm going to get a scissors and cut that off as best I can. So let me get my scissors, put them together, and cut off the frayed ends. So it's a little cleaner. And then I'm going to take my big lighter, hold them together, and just gently burn the bottom edge so it stays together. Just like that. Okay, now let's do the other side. Cut off the frayed part. Use our little big lighter. And voila, no fray. Okay, now let's get started with our clasp. This ribbon is wider than our clasp. So in order to get this into here, we have to fold it. So we're going to fold it. Put our ribbon end on, and you see the little teeth? That's going to help the ridges, that's going to help hold the material down. Hold it like that, and then we're going to come with our, you can either use your flat nose or your chain nose. I think this has bigger surface area. And press it down. I'm going to flip it around and press this down on this side. Just make sure everything is secure. Okay, I'm tugging it, and that's pretty secure. Okay, so that's one end, And let's do the other side. Okay, we're going to do it the same way. I'm going to bring it up and fold it, kind of eyeball it. I think I need to cut this part off. It looks like it's poking out. There we go. Then I'm going to put my ribbon on. Press it down, press one side down at a time. Come and do the other side. And keep pressing and then flip it over. Make sure it's tight. Okay, and then check. Pretty good. Okay, now what we have to do is put on our clasp, and I like to put extensions on my ribbon. So I have a clasp, 2 jump rings, and an extension chain. And I got that extension chain through Amazon, and it comes in a package like this. So you've got silver, gold, and a light tint of rose gold. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to attach my jump ring to my chain. So I'm going to hang onto my jump ring with my chain nose pliers, and I'm going to find the opening, which is right here at the top where my fingernail is. Then I'm going to come in with my flat nose pliers, hang on to one side of it, and I'm going to gently turn it to the left so I have it open. Then I'm going to slip on my chain, connect it to my ribbon clasp, hold one side again, hold the other side, and gently turn it back to the middle. And I like to give this a squeeze to harden it. Okay, so that's one side. And now let's do the other side. So we're going to take our jump ring. We're going to find the middle, which is right here. Hang on to it with our flat nose pliers. Gently turn it to the left. Put on our clasp. Then put on our ribbon clasp. And put it back together. And gently turn. And you can feel the ends of the jump ring touching the metal together, so that now you know it's closed. And then give it a squeeze. So there we have our finished, beautiful ribbon necklace. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.